Salmonator English Baking Show. We today will be making you these fabulously amazing, unique turkeys. So first, you take the cookie apart. It does not matter if it cracks. So you just put frosting on it, on the back of it, where the frosting used to be. And then you take your eyes and you put frosting on the back of it. And then, like so, you stick it on the turkey. You may do the same for your other eye. Like so. And then you take the candy cone and you put it on the back. Like so. It will turn out to be something sort of like this. And then, for my previous, you will make a base out of cookies. And then it will lie like so. Thank you for watching. Sam, how are you doing with this?
Pretty good. As you see, I'm done. Ta-da! Oh, well, since you put all the things in, you put the pretzels in the middle, and then you stick them into here, and you take these, you stick them in there, and here, I can do another example. Flying cookie. So, just like these two.
Wait.
Whatever.
I'm gonna take this last eye.
We're gonna break that. We're gonna take all the frosting. If you need more, you can get more. Splatter it all over. Until you want to stop. You take 4 of these, 2 regular ones, 2 with pumpkin. We can make a funeral of that one since it died. Now you make a pattern. You can do it like this. You can start it off with a regular one and go on with the brown one, which is what I'm going to do. You can start off with the brown one if you would like. And you put it like that. And then you get a pretzel stick. You break it in half and break it in half again, like that. And then you put it like that, and you put it like that. Now, we didn't forget about this cookie. Now, to make it fair, this cookie wants to be splattered in icing, so we're gonna do that since we're kind people. Alright, that cookie is now feeling amazing. Now, you do that, and since this guy is dead, he doesn't need eyes, so we're gonna take his eyes. I'm sorry. And we're just gonna put icing on them. We're gonna stick it on the cookie twice, and then you stick it onto the pretzel. Yay! Yay!
Thank you, Sam and Ada, for your wonderful baking Thanksgiving cooking turkeys
Oh,
for
very nice.
decorations.
I made it stick.
Anytime.
I made it
Any
stick.
final words for our audience?
Well, I shall say one thing. Don't be afraid to go and let your imagination run wild, especially by only using one eye. It is totally fine. You know what? I'm going to do that one for my next one. And my next one is going to be awesome because it only has one eye. So I'm trying to do Sam's way. Here are the pretzels. And you can make your platform from the previous cookies. Ta-da! Oh, and we also have some more materials.
Thank you, Sam and Ada, for your very insightful and
You are quite
colorful
welcome.
show on Thanksgiving turkey cookie decorations. Ta-ta!
Ta-ta!